Hello and welcome to another episode of Epic Mickey 2. Now, had to rush to set this up because the equipment died. I got everything set up and then I had to rush to find the charger. So, that didn't work out well, but we're still doing good. Anyway, so far I have completely forgotten about the other video I did. And now, where did we leave off? Oh yeah, we're about to enter Club 13. Where's another teddy bear part here? Huh.
Looks like a piece of that poor bear. Tedworth will be glad we found it.
Okay, jump and jump.
That's a marvelous photo of the paint pool next to Club 13. You've really made a difference around here.
That's good to know, Gus. That is for the cinema bar.
Goodness, I think this is one of those observatory items.
Yeah. Bring that in. Anything else? The tree over here. Now, let's ring the doorbell. Cooking time.
Well, look what we got here.
Petronic? Last time I saw you, you were constructing beetleworks for the Mad Doctor.
Yeah, well, Big Bad Pete asked me to help out with the club. They need energy since the quake broke the generator, see? So, here I am.
Say, maybe you can help us out too. We're looking for Prescott.
No way Prescott made it into the club, not on my watch. He just kept going round back to the drain tunnel entrance. I tried talking to him once, and he mentioned some egghead projects over in the old float yard. Anyways, if you take the train tunnels to the old fort in the gulch, that should take you to the float yard's entrance. And since you helped Ian out, he should be able to help you find the entrance, as long as you don't mess with any of the blotlings in the fort, that is. Of course, all that stuff's in the gulch. Right now, you ain't getting the train tunnel doors open without my help.
So, will you help us?
Well, okay. I'm boarded here since I took up this post anyhow. I'll head inside and meet you round back. From there, I'll charge up the generator for the door. Looks like we're gonna need some scrap metal to fix the generator.
Yep.
I'm not sure how much, though. Why don't you bring me what you got, and we'll see if it's enough. Look at all this. Now we're cooking.
Pot time.
Tumbling torpedoes, what are those things? Are they the bloodworks the Mad Doc was babbling on about? Oh man, those things are all kinds of ugly. And look at that, they're heading right for us. I don't think they want you to leave, Mickey. Distract them while I get this open. Here I come to the rescue.
Like I do help us out.
There we go. Ha, she's running like a dream. So, how's about helping me deal with the rest of them plotworks before you go? Do that, and I'll have something for you.
Petronic's safe back there. We gotta find Prescott. Come on.
And we gotta help him. Don't wait for us to get our scrap back.
And not figure out why you couldn't do that, Mickey.
Trying to save the day.
I didn't destroy it. He did.
Now that's teamwork. You actually ain't that bad. Not like Big Bad Pete's always saying. I got a reward for you. Come and get it.
Okay.
You took care of him. Good job, Pally. And I got that reward for you, too. Looks like I got me enough scrap metal to fix this thing up after all. Now get out of here. Prescott ain't gonna sit around all day. You got got your reward already, so scram! You got your reward already, so scram! You got your reward already, so scram! You got your reward already, so scram!
Yes, it does just keep repeating that. And in order to file, I've tried doing it 13 times. It doesn't make a difference.
The way is open to the train tunnels, shall we?
If I remember correctly. Or it might have been a dream. Oh well. I'm glad this is picking up my voice as well. Check over every now and again, just to see if it's recording. And how well it's recording. Wait a second. Ooh, golden. Oh, check it. It does sound good. So that's something a little nifty. My oval is down there. Is underneath me. There you are. Music Land version 1. Fire the cannons! It's going off our way.
Would you like to enter the projector?
Sure. Well, I'm gonna... Yeah. I guess we'll go until the end of this place. Not the train tunnels. Well, yeah, we'll go to the end of the train tunnels. Because that's basically the end. This zone.
It seems the train tunnels were damaged in the quake. I hope the dioramas are still traversable. You know, Mickey, these depict your greatest battles during your last visit to Wasteland.
That's good to know. I'll be back. I don't even quote that. Here we go.
Gee, where are we?
It's the entrance to the train dioramas. Prescott built it after the thinner receded to celebrate your victories against the evil minions of the plot.
Oh, welcome, friends. I'm the automatic branch engineer, or AIM. Sort of sorry, I can't.
Yeah, can we listen to under his breath as well?
Looks like the quake did considerable damage to the dioramas, and now the whole system's unstable. We can either repair or take the damaged areas of each diorama offline. It would be nice to see these running again, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would.
Let's go see what Prescott was doing down here.
Hey, people.
That brave Mickey Mouse, he took the fight right to the clock tower. Oh, now that's the ticket. The power levels are doing just fine.
Yeah, the only way to get into that area is just to
Is there something you
go
can do to fix the clock tower's face?
There we go, paint it back green. Wait, so. There we go. Yeah, just have a bit of paint or something else. No one's on. Gold. Come on, Oswald.
Oh, hey, you fixed the clock tower, fellas. Let me open that transport tube for you. Boy, am I glad you came by. I'm feeling better already.
The door to the next diorama is opening.
You say as if it's such an amazing scene, but I'm just doing that so I can actually get it for y'all.
Fully restored clock tower. Wonderfully shot, Mickey. The transport tubes have power. Let's head into the next diorama and
Right.
see what awaits.
Oh yeah. Jump. Jump. No.
So, a bit of cloth. We should hang on to it for later.
Yeah. Good. Alright guys, there is a secret. No! Get back here also. There's a secret area in all of these zones. Apart from this one. That was the cloth.
Thanks a lot, fellas. Say, you know what? I have some footage here that you just might want to check out. I think it'll help.
Look at that. Markings on a wall in the back right corner of the room. We should check it out.
Mad Doctor, and behind him is trash. As if you see the Mad Doctor is trash. Little joke there. Don't give me that look. Sorry, my cat is just giving it really.
Well, what do you know? I'm feeling better already. Well, mostly better, anyway. If you're looking for Prescott, he came by here a while ago, looking for parts. Not sure why, though. The next diorama is based on the Mad Doctor battle. There's still a lot of damage, so I'd be grateful if you could fix it up for me.
Okay. I'll do that.
Look up there in the rafters. I wonder if you could fix anything from that vantage point.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sirree. That's better. Oh, looks like we're at about 30% repaired now. Good work, fellas.
This is the place that you can destroy the secret area. No. Not yet.
That beetleworks cut out.
Push a bit more. There we go. Come on, Ozzy. A bit to there. Go ahead. Go for cover. Ooh. Still got one. Yeah, this was some damage to Diarima when I was younger, I saw it.
Look at all these parts. Prescott must have been building something enormous.
I'm all over it.
Look, I kind of want to put Oswald back in his knight armor.
Maybe you could find a way to shut off the beetleworks cutout instead of fixing the door.
I'm gonna fix the door. Also paint that in. Anyway. Yeah, go to the car.
Oh, now that's the ticket. The power levels are doing just fine.
Ooh. Secret. Oh, Jesus.